Welcome back. News now coming in from the Tisazari court where Bibhav Kumar was just produced in court over the Swati Maliwal assault gate case. We're given to understand the court has now granted 4-day judicial custody. The next hearing is going to be on the 28th of May. That's the latest that we are gathering from inside court. Anshul, my colleague, joining us, getting us more details. Anshul, what more can you tell us? What were the arguments that were made?
Bibhav Kumar was presented in front of the court as was ordered by the judge on the last date of hearing. And today, as soon as he was presented, the public prosecutor, in fact, assistant public prosecutor Ratan Srivastava asked for a 4-day judicial custody for Bibhav Kumar. Now, to that, there were objections raised from the side of Bibhav Kumar's lawyer, but in fact, the court was of the opinion. In fact, the arguments that were being put forth from the side of the prosecution was that they can ask for a judicial remand because the investigation is still underway. They want Bibhav Kumar to remain inside the custody of the judiciary so that the investigation could not be hampered, and that is the reason why they had asked for a 4-day judicial custody. That has been granted by the court to the police. The next date of hearing is going to be 28th of May itself. The police continues to maintain that they have to record statements of a few people, and if at all Bibhav Kumar is allowed to walk out from the jail, then evidences could be tampered with, the witnesses could be tampered with, and that is the reason why the Delhi police wanted him to stay inside the jail cell for the next 4 days from the time this entire investigation is on now. In the next few minutes, Bibhav Kumar will be taken to the Tihar jail where he will be kept for the next 4 days.
So for the next 4 days, Bibhav Kumar is going to be in Tihar jail. That's the latest that is coming out of the Tisazari court. Several allegations of evidence tampering are also being investigated, Anshul, by the police.
Well, definitely the police is still mulling to impose Section 201 of the IPC against Bibhav Kumar. On paper, they still haven't mentioned it as of now. But the police is very, very confident that in the next few days, as the investigation is underway, they are going to impose Section 201 against Bibhav Kumar because he has not only deleted his phone, but also the manner in which the pen drive was given by the staff of the Chief Minister to the Delhi police. That pen drive turned out to be blank, and definitely there is a suspicion that was raised by the court as well that the intention of Bibhav Kumar does not seem to be right, and that is the reason why the Delhi police is now mulling to impose Section 201. Section 201 will be imposed once the Delhi police is sure that all the evidence that they need to gather, they have those evidences, and then only they can go ahead and impose Section 201. But that has not happened till now. But one thing is for sure, the Delhi police have confirmed to us that once the investigation is at a larger stage, once at a later stage, then Section 201 will also be imposed against Bibhav Kumar.